Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, this model demonstrates the concept of Zakat. In the early days, the method of Zakat was established. Zakat was to set aside 1/4 of their wealth, equivalent in 25 rupees out of every 100, and place it on a high platform. Far from the audience would consume it, distributing it among the poor was not allowed at that time. Later in this Ummah, Zakat was made obligatory at the rate of 2.5%, 1/48 of one's wealth. The application of Zakat was established in 2 Hijri in Medina Munawwara. This display showing various types of Zakat, such as gold and silver, trade goods, agricultural produce and livestock. I will explain each of these in details. Gold and silver Zakat. If an individual possesses 87.48 grams, it is $7.5 of gold, or 612.36 grams, that is $52.5 of silver. Are they equivalent in cash? They are considered worthy according to Islamic law, and Zakat becomes obligatory on them. Trade goods. This is a shop representing trade goods. If someone invests 1 million rupees in goods for trade, after 1 year, the value of the remaining goods will be subject to Zakat. Similarly, rentally, income from properties will also be subject to Zakat. Goat Zakat. For orders of 40 to 120 goats, 1 goat is due in Zakat. For 121 to 200 goats, 2 goats. For 201 to 399 goats, 3 goats. And so on. For every additional 100 goats, 1 goat will be added to Zakat application. Cow Zakat. For orders of 30 goats, 1 calf will be added to Zakat application. For 40 to 59 goats, a 2-year-old calf. At 60 goats, a 1-year-old calf Zakat is due. For every additional 30 goats, 1 calf will be added to Zakat application. Camel Zakat. For orders of 5 to 9 camels, 1 goat is due. For 10 to 14 camels, 2 goats. 15 to 19 camels, 3 goats. And for 20 to 24 camels, 4 goats are due. Items exempt from Zakat. This model illustrates items classified as basic necessities, such as houses, household items, vehicles, clothing, bedding, etc. These daily essentials are exempt from Zakat. It's a pleasure presenting in front of you all. Jazakallah, may Allah reward you.